Hi guys, welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm, and we're here to show you the mistakes and lessons learned on the greenhouse dog run. So first, we're going to start here and re-screw these back up on the top.
Yeah, so what happened is we put ours on a hill and we got hit by a tornado, several. And so we're going to go over that. We wish we had bolted it in, and we probably will. There's one behind you too. Yeah. So what happened is we've used the little anchors, and you can't use the little anchors. Then we used the thin fence post, and it just picked it up and twisted it. So, okay, that looks great. We're going to show you what we should have done for anchoring.
Let's talk coverings. For me, I like the poly sheeting with the string reinforcement because it's stronger, and I'm up on this hill. So for 10 foot by 100 foot and $89, you have your cover. And there's also tape you could get for $10 if you get any ribs. So I'm going to link everything in the description, so check that out. Hey, I just wanted to say that the Dog Run Greenhouse kept all animals out.
Okay, so what happened is first we used little stakes that were like a foot. Then we got this really thin one here. This just literally bent. So then we go to these big ones. This one, and what we do is we spray paint them black so it looks really good. You have to put one in the middle of the dog run because that seam, all those popped. All the zip ties.
And up here, the pipe fell off.
Yeah, the pipes came off. So we're going to bolt all those on later on. So the other, can you see it twisted in the air. The other thing is we only did one side. You have to do one in the middle and then one on the end because that wind just picked it up and flipped it. And see, the other end came off. Now,
and you don't want to glue these.
Yeah, you don't want to glue them because we might even lower ours, but our tomatoes really got up high though. So the second thing is, the good thing that we did was we used bamboo. Nothing got in here, and we have groundhog problem and raccoon. And they tried to reach through, but they couldn't reach that. Once it went up so high, they gave up. They didn't want to climb it.
Actually, what was great about this is nothing got in it at all. The raccoons couldn't climb it. They couldn't stick their little paws in here and reach any of the fruit or vegetables. And it was really great because some of them even climbed up here. I think it was one of the loofahs.
Yeah,
so
that was
really
great.
Good.
So what we're going to do, we're going to run green beans in here, and we're going to put the tomatoes over here because the green beans is what they got to on this side. So we're going to put raised beds right there a little bit.
And this year we're not going to cover it, and the reason why we didn't cover it is because we were traveling in the last year, so we really just wanted the rain to water all the plants. But you could cover this, and then you could grow leeks or different things throughout the winter or the fall, which would be great as well. But right now we're not going to do that quite yet.
Yeah, so but I am going to put a link. It's like $24 for the greenhouse plastic for this, and you need the greenhouse plastic, and $23.95. So I'll put that link on there, and just you go to order it from there. But otherwise, we love this greenhouse, and so we had peppers, tomatoes, we had flowers, and see, here's one of my leeks from earlier. It's still here. Oh, there's one over there. The only thing we're going to do, the first year we put plastic to keep the weeds out. So I'm taking that and I'm going to add, some type of soil compost probably. And otherwise, this was the best decision we had.
And it's pretty easy to maintain. As long as you bolt it in and fix all these mistakes that we just said.
Yeah.
It really is a great
Can you pull one
greenhouse.
of those zip ties? See the zip ties? When that tornado, and we had like 4 tornadoes go through. It was like really scary. So, but really, had it been covered, that would have picked it up like a balloon, I think.
It would have.
Okay, but this is it. We recommend it.
Please subscribe, like, and share.